My people, una good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Una welcome to may I remove my mask. I not go suffocate. Una welcome to First Aid Immigrant Solution. My name is remain Anthony. In case if una never subscribe, una go subscribe so that more for feed they come up, they give una the latest the cocoa for this channel or for this platform. So the topic where when make me come out this morning be say me I can't tell una say the new app where they say they wanted to monitor person, where they wanted to track person, where you get the government does sign out yesterday. The name of the app that they call on Immune, IMMUNI, Immune, now that they call on. So now yesterday the extraordinary commissioner for the emergency of health sign out yesterday. Say he sign out because of say may they do this app, may they fit the monitor person where they know say he get this coronavirus so that they'll fit track him. So this system now I want to explain to us so because the company where is sign out with us say designer now the company that they call Bendy Spoon. So this Bendy Spoon now software designer will design this app where they'll go so come out now, and this app now free. Now this app be and it's as it be free so and you fit download them without any money. So and this app it go make use of Bluetooth. Bluetooth means say with your device where you get for your phone, you fit take look around 1 meter or more people where you want come in contact with you, whether they get this sickness or not. So now because of now they do this app. So they do this app because of say for this second phase where they want enter. So now this app now go they good where they take monitor make this coronavirus not to spread around everybody. So the minister where they call Domenico Akuri can't sign out thought say he give this company authority say may they design this software application where they'll use for this second phase where they want enter. So this software so where they want design. So what you want to do, it's not the compulsory, it's not the important for everybody. But if you know say you dey voluntarily, you dey willingly, you feel install them for your phone. So this application it they do it because of say they take track or monitor the spread of this virus, because of say this virus not the show for face. So if you know say this coronavirus, you know the damage we don't cause so far, we don't want to go back for where for the con. You know how many people don't die. So it is advisable to even install them for your phone. What they do, the major important are because of two things. One of it now I want to tell us so one they are to track a person where they know say he get or where he come in contact with person where get this coronavirus, because this thing they work, this technology they work with 2 or more phones together at a distance. If you on your Bluetooth, it go tell you whether the person they tested positive or not, or if you know say it goes physically retrace people where you know say come in contact with person where they positive. Now be one of this potential and if positive this thing part of this program of this application, because it go tell you, it go give the government, the Minister of Health or the extraordinary commissioner for the emergency for health, it go give them the procedure for them to retrace people where get in contact with isolated COVID-19 patient. For this thing now we fit monitor people where don't get them and people where come in contact with them, so that they'll fit intervene and treat them when time is reach. You understand me now? But another thing, the second important of it be say for list, it go still make us say the citizen or list of cities where install this program for their phone. So it go make them anonymous, means say it go make them they unknown, because it go still hide all the identification code for any member wey dey close to that phone, wey dey close to that person, e go hide am. E no give them information out wey people take know say you don dey close to me, you wan spy me, you wan spy and send my information to the health people. No. So that one is still another important. So, and e go also give this clinical record or diary of anybody wey they know say e get am or wey not still get am, about sex, age, or previous disease wey the person first get in the past, or any medication wey the person dey take, or any medicine wey the person dey take, or they'll see they do wetin they call updating, whether they upgrade the software every day. Anything wey the person see do, whether a cure of the disease or the person e new get the disease, so that any update wey see come, or they update am every day wey e get any symptom. So any changes for the state of health of that person, e go see the update am for full. So this test, it is very important, and na the pillar wey the government dey use now for this second phase wey e go start any moment from now. So if they use am take dey talk say if they go start this process, this software for some region, not be all region. So some region where they wan first start this process, in case if you never know, now una just make sure say una stay for this channel, wey una make sure say una dey follow me, so that anywhere they talk say they wan start am, I go be the first person wey I still understand to una. So the first region where they want first start this thing now, they never announce am because they are still working on it. So, and this software is not compulsory, but if you are willing so to install, is voluntarily for those citizens now to monitor those people wey get am, because of say this coronavirus. You know say na virus, you no fit see am with your two naked eye, and you know dey show for face. And anybody wey get am, because of say you know dey show for face, some people dey now they take treatment, they not dey tell person, they hide down, so all those things. So but you know, bring that one data as consent to your phone. No, e go only tell you say may you stay maybe away, but because of say the people wey get am, e dey close to you. So that 1 meters, because of the help of Bluetooth now, when you on your Bluetooth, e go fit track anybody wey get that sickness around you, wey still install the program for phone. But if the person don't install the program for phone, you know, fit track that kind of person. Now make am say the government dey urge, they ask everybody say make we try, make we install this program. The program where they tell you so, but they call am immune, IMMUI. So now be the name of the program. Now Bluetooth technology go they use it. Una still remember when now they use Bluetooth, they share music, they share files, they share pictures and all those things. But una not they stay close to the phone. Una fit stay at distance. Now those days where would they use infrared, where you will pair the phone close to each other before you fit send. But this one, because of this Bluetooth technology, at a more than 1 meters, you feel, if the person get am for phone, if he tell you make you stay clear, or maybe if the person still get am, or don't come across with that person wey get am, with the trace of your phone where you take get in contact with that person, government will fit intervene and see help you, constantly treat you where you get in contact with that person. By so doing, we'll fit monitor this coronavirus. Now make me tell us say, may I can't give una this the cocoa, in case if that application come out, I beg, if you want, you feel install, not the compulsory, but if you not want, no install. But as for me, I go install, because you will first protect yourself first, because they say when there is life, there is hope. Now make me tell you the name of the software now, Immune. So now for your phone, you install and put. And those people wey know say they not still get smartphone, this one has the opportunity where you go get one where you take protect yourself. They say when there is life, there is hope. May I close my mouth? Una do well. More than not forget to subscribe to First Aid Immigrant Solution. So that be the thing, the way I say, may I come inform us today. So more now follow me tomorrow for Facebook at the con live. Una bye bye.